Hello. My name's M, and I'm just wanted to share some of the things I'm doing with trading. My blog is crypticgains.com. My trading results today was up $237 trading the ES, and SIM was around 835. I'm doing some new things with a strategy and my different plan that I'm trying to follow. So I'm trading that with SIM a little bit, but I'll show that in a little bit. I'm trading EOTPros.com's NCEP 2.3 signals. Only green arrows, personal discretion right now for my real account. I traded ES today, that's it. Didn't really want to trade oil or anything. It's been pretty choppy, pretty volatile. This is an educational video, so let's just go to it. You're seeing right now a ES chart, 5-minute. I just wanted to show what I was looking at today when I got started trading. We had this huge move a couple days ago, last week, and what we've been doing is this huge resistance here, and I was kind of waiting for it. I thought we'd hit it today. This is no longer resistance. The beginning of the day kind of looked like this. So this is no longer resistance because there's so much order flow here. That's something you got to watch out for. Some people think this is resistance, but really this is all part of this move. Well, this is the last real push up before we had this huge down. So thought we'd come into that today, which we did, and that is a key factor. So if you traded during the day, it was all the way up until this, and then down after you hit that. It was pretty simple. Let me go ahead and show you my signal chart here. Let me get this in. But yeah, it was really exciting today. All you had to do was go with the trend, take some signals, and you would have done real well. Let's see, market open 9:30. So you're looking right here. Here's market open. And you have a first signal that's red. Now, with the new strategy that I'm playing from my sim account, basically what I'm doing is if we're making higher lows and higher highs, or if we're moving in trend, you can see from pre-market, we took this, tested that, and we made a higher high or higher low right here to this, and this is coming off this. So we're in an uptrend. We are around Allah's average, but this comes up right here, breaks through that, and then signals breaking through this resistance. So you had a breakout play that was also a signal. It was red, but you had so much moving in your direction that I didn't take this trade, but this is what my sim account is working on, is taking these, even if it's red, but taking these that are kind of with the discretion trend. So you had a winner there. If you took that, here's a green arrow. I'm taking green arrows from a real account, so you had a winner there. You had a winner here. You didn't take this yellow signal, you didn't take this red signal because they're against trend. We don't have lower highs where we see usually trend moves like that. We're definitely in an uptrend here. GValu is plotting, telling you this is a strong trend, as well as time adjusted is up here, telling you you're in a strong trend. And also it's all about the higher highs and higher lows, and that's what we got going on. So this is a winner. Made a higher high, came up, we had a signal after making a higher low from this one, telling you we're in trend. This one you didn't take because we're not against trend here. First of all, second of all, it's red. Another green one. If you took this signal because you're in a trend up, then that would have been good. Like I said, that's what I'm trying to do with my account. So another higher there. This is green down, but it was against trend. You might have taken it. If you did, and you had your ATM strategy like I do, which is the NCEP one, then you would have taken it, and you would have hit your first profit target and taken off a contract, and the other one might have moved into break even. So it's definitely something that would have worked for you. And then you went all the way up. You might have taken this one, you might have not. It looks like it's starting to have a lower high, but this is a higher high, so you're going against this. This is support, and you don't want to take it there. Then we hit that area on the chart that I was showing you, and we came down. Now this is the last time we studied my data feed, so that's why this indicator is usually live, and that's what it's showing you. But market moved down here, telling you this is new trend. So you might have taken this one because we didn't. You might to retest this. If you did, it was a winner. But then we had a lower high right here. You take this one, would have moved in your direction. You would have won off that one. That would have worked in your favor. You might have taken this one, and this one did not. This was a loser. If now these are the trades I would have taken on my sim account. Again, for my real account, I'm taking green arrows only. So on my sim account, this one would have been a loser for me. I don't know if I would have taken this one on my sim account. I don't think I did. I might have, but this one was a winner. No, this is still a downtrend, even though volume's telling you peaks up. Okay, this is a lower high from here. See how this is low, this low breaks this low, and this high area is higher than this. This is a lower high. Remember, we're in downtrend now. This is one of the arrows I did take, and it definitely made me money. So it was a pretty sweet trade. Here's another one you didn't take, because we're in a downtrend. And then this happened. Then we had a lower high right here, and then we had a trade for that. That was a profitable trade if you took it. I took this trade and I made some money off that as well. And then we just had this trade happen about 10 minutes ago. So I didn't take this one. I said I was done for the day. I'll show you my profits on my my real account. That's where we lie. I don't want to show you what's down here because the account information is, but 237 is what I ended up on my real account, and then this is the gray one, sim account 835 up. So these are some great strategies that I'm using here. That I'm just trying to post and share some information with the world. I believe in paying it forward. So these are some definitely good things that are happening right here, and just wanted to share it a little bit with the blog. Finally getting over my sickness here, but yeah, I'll keep posting. I'll keep letting people know what I'm doing. So far, I've traded my real account maybe I think 4 days, on this strategy, and I'm positive I'm doing very well. As for the sim account, I've been trading for about a week and a half now on this strategy, and just playing with it. So I'm gonna probably start implementing some of the higher low into my plan, and that method of following with trend, which is really simple. Especially I usually have a 1 minute chart that I match up with, and this helps me out. It keeps me in track with you staying in trend. It's just about higher highs, lower lows, and higher highs, and I could I could write it out for you, but it's pretty simple. It's when you have a trend, it's all about making those higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend, like that, for an uptrend, and for a downtrend it's the exact opposite. When you start breaking your lows and you start putting in lower highs, then you're in a downtrend. And when we have moments where we have kind of either that or just kind of a choppy area, well then we're in chop. You shouldn't be trading this kind of stuff. We'll still get this. Maybe I'll still take green signals when we're lucky at this, but when time slows down, or in the lunchtime, or pre-market, or just low days when we're kind of just range bound, that's where people get hurt. So it's something you want to watch out for. Also, true support and resistance. I think I'm going to do just a video on teaching people what true support and resistance is, because I think that's a very key method of learning how to trade, is understanding where markets might turn, like this one right here. Orders came in here. Basically, your first key level is this is huge. This is a huge event right here, and what you want to watch out for is the fact that this moved in. This move came from this first turn here. Okay, if you look closely, you'll see that orders came back into here, into this small area, and immediately shot away. There's orders there. Regardless of what the news says, all this came from these orders coming into this support and resistance level. And even when we first came back into it, boom. There's resistance actually, but first came back into it, we had a huge hit into it. And that's the same thing that happens with support. You'll see kind of like this level right here. The first time we came into this, price came down and then shot out of it, and the first time we came into it, support. It's something you gotta watch out for. Now, there's a lot more complicated than that, and you know, I think I might do a video soon on understanding exactly what that is, and I'll teach a little bit about that. So, other than that, you know, everyone else have a good time trading. But I'll update the blog here shortly with this video, along with you know, next couple of days. So, go visit the blog. All right, bye bye.